Today's topic, I am taking menstrual cycle. What is menstrual cycle? The rhythmic series of changes that occur in reproductive organ of female primate called menstrual cycle. Primate means ape, monkey, human being. Are you getting my point? What is that? The rhythmic series of changes that occur in reproductive organ of female primate. Reproductive organ of female primate, ape, monkey, human being called menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle repeat after 28 to 29 days. Okay, are you getting my point? First menstruation after puberty called menarche. Okay, menstrual cycle divide into 4 phases. First phase I am taking is called menstrual phase. Menstrual phase. What is the menstrual phase? In menstrual phase, uterus inner wall, endometrium. I taught you. Are you getting my point? Uterus inner wall endometrium disintegrated, cause bleeding. Second point, unfertilized egg or soft tissue discharge. Unfertilized egg or soft tissue discharge. This phase continue 3 to 5 days. Okay. Now, next phase, follicular phase. What happen in follicular phase? Are you getting my point? During follicular phase, LH and FSH hormone, LH luteinizing, follicle stimulating hormone. I taught you. LH and FSH level increase and development of primary follicle take place. Primary follicle change into mature Graafian follicle. Are you getting my point? LH and FSH hormone level rise and follicular development take place. Primary follicle change into mature Graafian follicle. In this phase, estrogen hormone level is also increased. This phase lasts 10 to 14 days. Now, third phase, ovulatory phase. What happens in ovulatory phase? In ovulatory phase, LH hormone level is increased. So, Graafian follicle rupture, egg free, cause ovulation. LH hormone increase, induce rupture Graafian follicle, egg free, called ovulation. This phase lasts for 48 hours. And the next fourth, luteal phase. What happened in luteal phase? In luteal phase, Graafian follicle after ovulation change into the carpus luteum. And carpus luteum secrete hormone progesterone, compulsory for implantation. Are you getting my point? And endometrium regenerate. Okay, endometrium secrete discharge fluid in uterus. When fertilization does not take place, on that time, what happened? Carpus luteum disintegrate and endometrium also disintegrate and cause blooding, discharge, soft tissue and unfertilized egg discharge. Estrogen and progesterone hormone level increase, and this phase lasts for 1 hour. Are you getting my point? These all are the phases of menstrual cycle. After 50 years in female, menstrual cycle stop. This condition is called the menopause. Okay, now I am going to explain you 4 phases with the help of diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation में first of all I am taking here days 1, 7 days, 9 days, 11, 13, and this is the 15 days. First day is menstrual phase. Menstrual. Last for 3 to 5 days. After this phase is follicular phase. 7 to 14 days. 8 to 14 days follicular phase. And after 14, 15 ovulatory. And 17 days, 19 days, 21, 23, and this is 25, 27 and 28. This is luteal phase. And here next cycle. Okay. Now I am taking here uterine wall. And here I am taking ovarian hormone. And here ovarian events. Or this is pituitary hormone. Okay, so first of all I am taking uterine wall. So in menstrual cycle, uterine wall is larger and after that decrease. Okay, and here decrease, again regenerate here, and for the next cycle decrease. Okay, this is menstrual cycle. Okay, menstrual cycle, that is we can represent. First menstrual cycle is take place, then degenerate and ovulatory, again regenerate. I already taught you about that. Now what happened in ovarian hormone? 2 hormone ovarian, estrogen and progesterone. So estrogen and progesterone, first of all I am taking the level of this here. Estrogen is more in amount, progesterone again here, progesterone more in amount, and estrogen. Okay. Yes. Now estrogen is more, and this is the progesterone hormone is here. Okay. Now, what happened in ovary? First of all, primary follicle is here. Change into the secondary follicle. Ultimately, tertiary or Graafian follicle is formed. In 15 days, Graafian follicle rupture, ovum free. Ovum free. And what is formed? Carpus luteum. Carpus luteum. Secrete progesterone hormone and ultimately carpus luteum disgenerate. We can take progesterone hormone. Progesterone. This is the progesterone, estrogen. Okay. Now, next, pituitary hormone, LH or FSH. Okay. First, LH is higher during ovulatory phase. After that, this is the. Okay. So, we can also diagrammatically represent the different events. Menstrual phase, uterus wall, damage, disintegrate, discharge. Okay. After that, follicular phase, again development of the endometrium, and in ovulatory endometriums. In ovulatory phase, 15 days, 10 to 14 days follicular phase, or for 15 days ovulatory phase is there. After that, the luteal phase is here. So LH hormone level is higher during ovulatory phase. In the same condition, estrogen hormone is also higher. In carpus luteum, progesterone secrete after the ovulation. So progesterone level is higher here. Okay, next topic I will take tomorrow.